Skin-Fatuation trend. Today we are going to talk about all natural, organic, and science meeting beauty products. So it's kind of like a match made in heaven if you think about it. I know with beauty products, they're trendy, you know? You have like the duochrome unicorn festival holographic trend. Then we have the all matte eyeshadow palette trend. So beauty is something that is constantly changing. And something that is not trendy is how we care for our skin. Skincare is not trendy, so we have to choose wisely. What better route than to go the all-natural organic route? So today I'm gonna share with you guys Ulta Beauty's picks for their favorite all-natural beauty products, specifically skincare. Now, you guys know this. We're doing this every month for the rest of the year. We are going to talk about skincare and how important skincare is. In February, we talked about masking. In March, we talked about facial oils. Today, we are going to talk about natural beauty products. Now, you're like, well, Dani, you have a really beautiful display back there of stuff, but what are you gonna use to show us? Oh, I'm gonna use this box right here. Oh, wait. But does that mean you have double of everything? Yes, that's right. If you guys are joining us on this Skin-Fatuation journey a little bit late into the year, we are doing a giveaway of all of the products mentioned in this video. So we've already had 2 winners. Marjorye was last month, so congratulations to her. And I think we're just gonna jump right in. But can we talk about how it's already April? So this is April Skin-Fatuation. Like what, I thought it was like Christmas last week. Now we're already in April. April showers, spring. Before you know it, I'm gonna be rocking that tan at the beach because it's gonna be summer. Summer. I wonder what next month's Skin-Fatuation theme is gonna be. Because y'all know those outdoor activities are gonna be a lot more exciting in the upcoming months. I'm pretty sure I could take a wild guess, but I'm pretty sure you could also take a wild guess because we are talking about skincare. Anyway, should I just get into it? Enough of this long introduction. So, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about Ulta Beauty's favorite naturally derived ingredient skincare products. I'll show you guys what the product is, what's cool about it, and at the end of this video, you're gonna get your opportunity to take these products home with you. So, good luck in advance, and let's get into it. The buzz phrase, anti-aging. I think that becomes very, very important and prominent to us once we get to our mid-30s and everything is tagged with anti-aging, but what products actually work? Now, there is a product from Juice Beauty, which is a really popular and for a good reason, all-natural brand. They have their stem cellular line, and this is the anti-wrinkle boost serum. So Juice Beauty is a really popular all-natural brand. They have finally become mainstream, which is great because their products are amazing. This particular line is the stem cellular line, which has their proprietary blend of fruit stem cells that are also infused with vitamin C and have resveratrol, which is derived from grapes. So resveratrol is also in wine. It's also found in some anti-aging lipsticks, just saying. Anyway, fun fact, right? So this is a really lightweight gel-like serum that is going to enhance skin tone and texture. So that's where it helps with like anti-aging or smoothing out those fine lines, but it also has jojoba and shea, so it will also moisturize. This is kind of one of those products that even though it is a serum, it's also going to feel like a moisturizer on your skin. But y'all know how I feel about sunscreen, so don't just let this be your only product. So again, this is from Juice Beauty. The next product is a moisturizer, speaking of. This is Origin's Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I love the Ginseng line from Origins because not only is it a gel moisturizer, and all of their products from this line are gel-like, so they don't feel sticky or heavy or greasy. They're really lightweight, they absorb great, but they also have ginseng and coffee bean. So those 2 products are going to make your skin look super radiant, super glowy, and kind of just perk you up, just like a cup of coffee or 7 do for some people. So I actually used to use the ginseng line for a really long time, the eye cream and the gel moisturizer, because I used to have really long days and my skin looked drab and tired and almost sallow-like, and just like a cup of coffee just perks me up and puts me in a really great mood systematically, this does that for my face. So it would make my skin look really bright, really awake, and just ready to go for the day. The cool thing about this as well is that it is non-toxic. All their ingredients are non-toxic, and you could use it as your daytime moisturizer and your nighttime moisturizer. I know a lot of times with skincare, it can get really daunting or overwhelming, and you're like, oh my God, a night serum and a night mask and an eye cream and then a sunscreen and then there's too many steps. This is one of those products that you could use day and night. But you guys wanna know my favorite part? Besides the fact that it's like drinking coffee for your face, it smells really good. Like, really yummy. Like, I kind of want to taste it to see if it actually tastes the way it smells. It smells like grown-up Tang. Like, not as intense as Tang or Sunny D, but like fresh squeezed orange juice. It just smells so good. And you guys can see how lightweight the moisturizer is. Like, you put this on your face and you're not gonna feel like you're wearing something really, really heavy and greasy. Are you guys acne prone? Because Shea Moisture has you covered. They have a facial mask. It's the African Black Soap Facial Mask. And this is a mask targeted specifically for people with blemish prone skin or acne prone skin. I know it's such a tough subject, because when you're blemish prone or you're acne prone, you're just so almost paranoid as to what products you could use that are actually gonna help. Because most of the time in the back of your head, you're like, oh, I don't wanna try something new because it might make it worse. It might anger the beast. And that's like the last thing that you guys wanna worry about. So Shea Moisture is one of those brands. It's been around for quite a while. I am a huge fan of their hair care products. They're another reliable brand that uses all natural products, non-toxic ingredients in their stuff. So the main purpose of this mask is to draw out all that yuckiness, all those impurities. And I think a common misconception with masking is that, oh, I'm gonna mask and I'll have clear skin. A lot of times what happens with masking is it gets worse before it gets better, so you just have to be really, really patient. So this is one of those masks that's targeted towards people with blemish prone or acne prone skin. Do you guys wanna see what it looks like? I kind of really like how it smells. You guys know I smell everything. I'm totally olfactory driven. If something doesn't smell right, I don't need it in my heart. You know what I mean? So it smells really good. Oh, and you know, one of the primary ingredients in here is tea tree oil, which y'all know, if you guys have blemish prone skin, tea tree oil is one of your best friends because of its antiseptic properties. My favorite thing in this whole box, I squealed when I found out that Ulta started to carry this brand, and this is COURTNEY. So this is one of those products that is amazing. Coconut oil in general is wonderful, but COURTNEY is one of those great brands because they get all their coconut oil from the same place, from the same coconuts. It's always gonna be the same. It's 100% coconut oil. It's unrefined. It's pure. It's as pure as it can get. So not only is it 100% pure, it's vegan, non-GMO. There's no animal testing. COURTNEY does not conduct any animal testing, but coconut oil is one of those things where it's like, oh, you want to deep condition your hair? Coconut oil. Oh, your knees and elbows are ashy? Coconut oil. Oh, you have, you know, dryness on your eyes, or you forgot your eye moisturizer? Coconut oil. Oh, your lips are chapped? Coconut oil. Your boyfriend broke up with you? Coconut oil. You know what I mean? Like, coconut oil is one of those go-to things. Now, for me, coconut oil is an infinite amount of possibilities. I like to have it around because A, it keeps me really, 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 really smooth. You guys know how I feel about being slippery like a seal. We've talked about this before. Coconut oil keeps me on point with stuff like that. But the infinite amount of possibilities with this is you could use it as a moisturizer. You could use it if your skin is feeling super, super dry. You could use it after sun care. I like to do, and you guys are totally gonna judge me, but like a loose highlighter, I like to put a little bit of loose powder highlight into some of this, and then I'll put it on my legs, and then I'm like, that's right, my legs are super glowy and bronzy and radiant. Like I'm back from a tropical vacation, even though I haven't been anywhere tropical or on a vacation in like 10 years, but no one needs to know that, you guys. So, COURTNEY, coconut melt, 100% worth the hype. Totally Dani approved. I kind of really like the new packaging too. But kind of a random fact, because you guys know I don't just keep it straight to the point. I like to take like 1,000 detours. Coconut oil, the consistency of it changes. So if you're not familiar with the way coconut oil works, you might be confused. Like, is it supposed to be like that? Like, you open it up and you're like, coconut melt? It's a brick in there. The minute you touch it, like with the heat of your body, you can see there's already a sheen in there. So it just turns into oil. And then it smells delicious. Like, a coconut macaroon and then you want to eat it, but don't. I mean, you could because it's 100% pure, but I would not recommend. The next product, cleansing oils, you guys. Remember we were talking about makeup trends and stuff that's trendy and comes and goes? I don't know if cleansing oil is one of those things that's going to be a trend that goes away. It's trendy right now, but it's something that has presented itself in so many different ways. From cleansing oils to like cleansing balms, they're the concept of cleaning your face and removing makeup with an oil. So the concept is a little daunting if you're not experienced with removing your makeup with products like a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. The cool thing about the Burt's Bees one is that it has coconut and argan oils. So what it's gonna do is it's going to cleanse your face, remove all dirt and impurities, remove all traces of makeup, but it's going to do it in a really gentle form, packed with antioxidants, and it's not going to strip your skin of the natural oils that it has. So a lot of times people with sensitive skin or drier skin have a really hard time removing their makeup or washing their face because it leaves their face feeling sore or I don't know, just more uncomfortable because it's more prone to dryness. With a cleansing oil, it's recommended for people with normal to dry skin because, like I said, it's super nourishing. It's not going to strip the skin. It's going to make your skin feel healthy and hydrated and clean at the same time. So it's not going to leave any greasy or oily residue behind, but it is going to clean your face completely, remove all your makeup, and leave you feeling nice and refreshed and hydrated and moisturized. And the last product, I love the packaging on this product. Look how pretty it is. It's totally, I mean, can we talk about this and the paint and this again? I'm a fan. This is Pacifica's Seafoam Complete Face Wash that removes makeup, cleanses, and tones. When Ulta told me this was one of their picks, I was like, is it? Can I get a sample to try? Because I'm on this sea algae kick right now and I can't stop. It's kind of one of those things where I can't stop myself. It has sea algae, I want it all over my face. So I recently tried one of those like mix your own rubberizing peel off mask things from Ulta. I don't remember the brand at the moment. I'll share it with you guys in an update video. But the main ingredient in that mask was sea algae complex, or it had that in it. Let me tell you, you guys, I was like, what, am I 15 again? Or it is amazing. I'm like, can we put that in all products now? I'm a fan of Pacifica, the brand, because it's mainstream, it's cute, it's pretty, their packaging is so nice, but it kind of removes that scary factor or that daunting factor or that weird stigma from all natural, organic, non-toxic beauty products, right? So I feel like when it comes down to organic products, all natural beauty products, non-toxic beauty products, we think, oh, it's confusing, you know, I'm not familiar, it's not mainstream, I haven't heard much about it. So we have like this nervousness about trying new products. Pacifica has been able to break through that barrier, and I have not tried a product from them that I don't like. It is so cool because it's a non-toxic beauty brand, but it's also affordable. So this cleanser is cool because it's going to be your cleanser for everything. It's gonna be your morning, night cleanser, anytime you wash your face, after the gym. It's that just best friend cleanser that has your back. It's going to clean your face, it's going to remineralize your skin. It's going to provide benefits that rehydrate your skin that also have anti-aging properties like sea algae complex or coconut water. And the best part, it's safe for all skin types. This isn't one that's recommended for normal skin, dry skin, oily skin. It's good for everybody. So if you guys ask me what I'm the most excited about in this box, and this is trying to be all-inclusive. So let's say you don't have blemish-prone skin. Let's say you don't like cleansing oils to remove your makeup. I think something that's in here that everyone can benefit from is probably a product like the Aparri Coconut Melt. This is something that is super exciting. It's a product that is as pure as it can get, and it's a product that has more than one purpose. But I'm also kind of excited about this one because y'all know what I said already. And this, I'm a firm believer in it. I tried the Ginseng line. I even loved the Ginseng mascara for years. If you guys go back, way back when I didn't know how to do my eyebrows on my channel, the Ginseng mascara is amazing. So Origins, the ginseng line, all inclusive is fantastic. So you're like, Dani, okay, get to the point. How can I bring these products home with me? Y'all, I got you. Don't worry, there's gonna be a link in the description box below that will allow you to enter this giveaway. Just like every month we are going to be focusing on a new skincare trend. So Ulta Beauty and I got your back, guys. So if you guys wanna enter the giveaway, there's gonna be a link in the description box below. If you guys wanna find out more about these products that I mentioned in detail, because you're like, okay, Dani, squirrel, kind of distracted. I need to know more about the ingredients in the Juice Beauty Serum. There's a link there too. Click on that link. It'll take you to a page that will have all these products listed there, and you can kind of look around, click around, find out more about these products and see if they would be a really great fit for you. I don't know about you, but non-toxic beauty products always have a place in my heart. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. P.S. Good luck. And you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.